Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to see posts you liked on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you are seeing the home screen. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on Account option. Scroll down and tap on Posts you've liked. Here you can see the old posts you liked before. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.